Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's catch up on Holochain then. So it was only a few days ago actually that I showed that little bit of the market that I've moved. You know, I bought probably a little bit too much of Holochain, but I'm pretty confident that it's going to continue to move. You see, so it's nice to have the pump already. So you know, what's this pump been since my entry point? Yeah, it's come back down again, so it's 36% move, but earlier on today it was all the way up to 70%. Now I trade this one, you know, on the back of its chart on the weekly. All right, so to see a move like that take place today is obviously very exciting to me, but it's not the move. All right, I was saying this to somebody on my Patreon the other day. I said they were like, "Good call on Holochain." I was like, well, I mean, that was nice, but it's not the move, nor is the move today the move. The move, in my opinion, is going to be a lot bigger and bolder than what we've already seen. So these little, well, I say these little areas, these are big, really, in the grand scheme of things, but they're very wicky. So lots of sells being taken place. You know, these people who I suppose, and I don't blame them, taking profit after what would have been like a 40 or 50% move. So that's fair play. You can't complain with that. And you know what? You know, that's very much the right thing to do. But for me, the right thing to do is to hold this one out, because this one, in my opinion, is going to launch even higher than what we've already seen. In fact, I'd be pretty confident to say that, you know, these areas that we're getting rejected from here correspond to these levels here. All these zones we'll measure them out, shall we? We'll just put little areas in here. So very strong rejections around these zones here. But once these areas are broken and taken out, we really do have the big move ahead of us, which would be around here. So it's another 86% move from that top. So that's from basically the top, just above the top that we've had today. So if we were to measure that out from the top to here, that's 135% move. And that sort of thing can happen relatively fast once this area is taken out. Now, if we're looking at this on the weekly, what we do have is we were in the cloud, we've got a cross basically within the cloud, but now we're outside of it and the cross is diverging on the Ichimoku cloud. We've got plenty of room to move here on all these other indicators. This big pullback here was a blessing, really. It was a pullback, which was fine, and then it was a further pullback because Bitcoin was taken away from its trading pair on Binance. So a lot of selling then took place, which gave me, that's when I decided to buy in, basically, when I saw that had basically bottomed. So this one, you know, it can sit static and not move for several days, maybe even weeks. So this move that we've had here could easily cool off again, but it could quite easily spark up again as well. So I'm no financial advisor, especially you know, when it comes to something like this, which is extremely volatile and risky. But I'm letting my one play out because, like I say, I've planned this one on a weekly, so I'm not expecting immediate moves. The moves today were nice; they were good to see. It's definitely got the power in it if it wants it, but my actual targets are going to be up at these levels, around about 0.017, around those levels, and then probably even beyond there. But I'll be personally looking to take at least half my profit at those levels, and perhaps maybe just let the rest ride, because this one, excuse me, this one really can. It really can move significantly, and it will. And it definitely will, in my opinion. Obviously, like I say, no financial advisor, but all these indicators and oscillators look like they're ready. Ichimoku cloud cycle ready to go bullish again on this one. It's not been bullish for a very long time. It's ready to go bullish, and I'm talking turbo bullish. Anyway, I'm going to leave it with you there, but thank you for watching. I'm running a live stream tonight for the Patreon users. If you're not a member of the Patreon, please join in. It's only £7.50 a month. You get access to 2 live streams a week where I'll break down and analyse any chart that you want me to during that Wednesday and Friday evenings. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope to see you there, and take it easy.